Good morning, Mama. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. Just woke up. I just want to, I just want to say happy birthday. I miss you. I love you. Ay, I'm sick. May sipon ako. I miss you, Mama. This is for you. You taught me everything and everything you're giving me. I'll always keep it inside. You're the driving force in my life. There's anything or anyone that I can be that I just won't feel right if I didn't have you by my side. You were there for me to love and care for me when skies were gray. Whenever I was down, you were always there to comfort me. No one else can be what you have been to me. You've always been, you will always be the girl in my life for all times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Oh, you know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like this from the start. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. Love you. Bye bye. Let me see.